Hey guys, it's Kitty Pie Cupcake. Oh, and today I'm here with Taylor.
Hey guys.
Today we're having a sleepover at my house, so we decided to do 24 hours handcuffed. But the good thing is I'm a righty, she's a lefty, so we don't have to give up our right hand or something. So put your hand up.
Okay.
You write with this hand,
We'll do it at the same time.
Put your sleeve over because it might hurt your wrist.
Well, I might take this off later. So.
But well, you can't take it off later if the handcuffs are on.
Oh yeah.
So you want to take it off now?
Yeah, I'll take it off now.
It's still cold. It's pretty cold here, guys. 24,000 years later. It took forever. Okay. Okay. You want to put your sleeves over so it doesn't hurt it? Because before the day when I got it, it actually hurt my wrist, so I put my sleeves over and it worked better.
Okay, so we're both going to snap at the same time. No, you have to put it on yours.
Okay. Wait. 24 hours. Start. Now. Wait, wait, you can't loosen it. What the heck? Look at hers compared to mine.
Oh.
Hers is so small. Bro. And
okay, so
I actually really want to do it. So did she.
So did I.
Yes. So we're gonna actually keep this on. We're not gonna take it off a video. We're actually gonna keep it on.
The whole time. And we will be doing just regular things. So
first we didn't eat dinner yet, but yeah,
we're eating.
Everyone else eat it. So we're gonna eat ice cream.
Yes, and also
ice cream is so healthy.
We're doing our regular routine, what we would be doing. So if we watch TV, we're not gonna be talking that much.
Okay, so we have ice cream. I actually bought ice cream with my money. Oh. Ow. And I just have a tub of ice cream. We have spoons. Can you grab the spoons? We have spoons, and we're going to go eat the ice cream on the couch and watch TV for a little. So, yeah, put the spoons down. We're just going to be watching some TV.
We watch 5-minute crafts. We love them.
Yeah. So, this is my dog, Bruce. Say hi, Brewster. Bruiser.
Okay, here, let's do the...
Pause it. Wait, pause it. Actually, no, we're going to try the snout down. Later, we're going to try the snout down. So first, we'll see you in a couple of hours, okay? We're going to see you in an hour or two. Bye. Hey, guys.
Wow. We are back.
Yes. We still have them on.
It's been a while.
It's been 2 hours. It hurt.
My hand is red from it.
Go.
And while
it's legit red.
While the video was stopping, we decided to go to the store and get some
Bean Boozled.
So we are gonna play a little game of that.
Bean Boozled.
So y'all are bored.
Yeah.
So we went to the store for 2 hours, and then
for a while, yeah. Well, we didn't go for the store for the whole 2 hours. So we have the little wheel.
A little spinny wheel, and what it says is, I'll read the...
it says... Okay, I'll read some.
I'll read the good ones, you'll read the bad ones. So,
okay.
the first one is peach, and then...
And barf.
It could be peach, it could be barf, and then it could be lime and...
Long clippings.
It could be berry blue.
Or toothpaste.
It could be strawberry banana smoothie,
or dead fish.
It could be juicy pear.
Or boogers.
Butter popcorn.
Or rotten eggs.
Chocolate pudding.
Or canned dog food.
Caramel corn.
Or moldy cheese.
Coconut.
Spoiled milk.
Ugh. Tutti frutti.
Or stinky socks. And that's it. So we have all of our flavors here.
Looks like.
Yeah. So, you want to go first?
You can go first.
Nope, you can go first. Guess first.
You can go first.
No, you can go first.
Youngest to oldest. Go.
No, oldest to youngest.
Just go.
No.
Go for
Wait, we have to eat.
Fans. Go for
we have to eat ours together. Okay? Wait.
Oh.
So I got lime or long clipping, so which is...
No, you got this one at first. Barf.
No, I got this one.
Here, redo it.
That's the middle.
Okay, redo it.
strawberry banana smoothie. They're dead fish. Oh, I'm gonna barf. Okay, go. We have puke bags too, but beside us. Okay,
You have to go first.
no, you were gonna spin it. We're gonna eat it together.
Oh,
though.
yeah.
So
Coconut
coconut
or
spoiled
spoiled
milk,
milk.
the white one.
No, I'm gonna do this one.
Okay. Oh, I'm so scared.
I'm gonna get my bag.
So okay, ready?
Wait, oh wait, where's mine?
Oh,
Wait, we have to eat it though. Only if we barf, then we can spit it
or
out.
spit it out. Ready, set, go.
Coconut!
I got good one.
Coconut.
I got strawberry banana smoothie. This is actually really good.
The coconut's really good too.
The aftertaste a little off, but it's actually not that fish because I had that before. It's terrible. Okay. Wait. Oh my god, wait. Ow! Middle.
Middle. What if it goes to the middle of the same place?
Okay, so berry blue or toothpaste?
toothpaste?
I got the good one. It could be good or bad.
Oops.
Move your finger. Strawberry, banana, or dead fish?
Oh, I gotta pick it.
Grab which one. It's this one. Or anyone. Okay. Ready, set, go. I got toothpaste.
I got strawberry smoothie. I haven't been boozled yet. Woo! Toothpaste isn't bad.
It was mint toothpaste, and I hate mint. It was legit. Wait, smell my breath. It's minty. Like really minty, and I hate mint. It was like good for other people. For me, it's horrible. I'll go again. We also might do some off of butter. Butter. Lime or long clippings.
How about we get to pick which one when it goes to
No.
one? Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, that's unfair.
Peach or barf?
Oh
no! I can't
what
do
color
this.
is it? Wait, hold up.
No.
Peach or barf is this one.
Yeah.
My nose is just. Okay, ready?
Oh, this is the barf one, I
Set,
think.
go.
I got boozled! That is so gross!
I didn't actually taste it. I didn't know what it was, but. Oh!
I got barf. That was the gross
The aftertaste.
thing.
I'm gonna puke.
Oh, that was so gross.
At the end of this, we're gonna eat some blue ones. I'm gonna eat some blue ones.
No, it's not the end of it.
I know. I
already.
said when it is.
Oh.
Middle.
No,
Lime
you
or
already
long
got that one,
clippings? Okay.
so. Oh,
Chocolate pudding or
dog food.
canned dog
Canned
food,
dog
not caramel.
I don't like the chocolate pudding, in my opinion. It's kind of gross.
Neither do I.
Wait, hold on.
Spin it.
Okay, coconut. Wait,
No,
that
it was in the
lime.
middle.
Chocolate pudding or canned dog food?
I'm gonna switch it. Wait.
Me too. I hate the smell of it though.
Oh!
Okay, ready?
Oh no! Wait, I wanna smell them. Wait!
No, you don't get to smell everyone. That's it. Ready, set, go. Okay.
Oh!
So
I'm gonna puke. That was so disgusting.
As you can tell, we both got canned dog food.
Let's do one more. Let's do one more.
No,
and
a
then
couple
that's
more. We only did like 3 rounds. As you can see, we both got canned dog food.
Okay. Middle.
Line. Oh, coconut spoiled milk!
No! Oh, you got this one too.
Oops.
Coconut! Shut up. Shut up.
Oh.
I have to sneeze. I have to sneeze.
Bless you!
Okay, shut up. Oh, shut up. Okay, ready? Set. Go.
Which one is it?
No, coconut. But I don't like the coconut one. It's actually... Actually, I didn't get that bad. I got coconut. I just don't like the coconut one. I got coconut. I just don't like the coconut one, in my opinion. Did you just puke on that? Okay, go clean it up. Oh, we have to put it together. Okay, we'll see you when we're done.
Bye, guys.
That bad? Was it really that bad?
I guess so. Bye, guys.
See you later. Okay, bye. See you later in like 2 or 1 hours.
It's been a really
Oh,
long. Hey guys. So we are back, and we just cleaned up the throw up, and we got some chocolate milk. Sorry, I was thirsty, so I was drinking it. But here's my sexy chocolate milk. Now let's stop with that. I'm in love with it. Sorry. But now we are going to get to it. We're only doing 2 more because last time I threw up. I'm kind of afraid to do it again.
Yeah, we already spent 1. I got blue.
And I made this rule up so where if I got
mint.
If I got lime or lawn clippings, and if she got coconut or spoiled milk, if I wanted to go do hers rather than mine, I can. And if she wanted to do mine rather than hers, she could. And we can do like the same one. If I wanted to go to hers and she wanted to stay with hers, then yeah, that's fine. And we could like swap, but we cannot re-spin it again after we've already done it. So we can either pick theirs or ours. And so that's what we're gonna do.
We're still handcuffed too.
Yeah.
And I was petting my dog over here. That's what I like.
So let's get on.
Whoop. Okay, so I just ate my first one that I already spent. It was mint.
I got lime or lawn clippings, so.
It's Rain Man.
I got lime.
Hallelujah, Rain Man.
Now to our,
Second. I already spent. Okay, it's middle.
well, not our actual second,
But,
but
you know. Caramel. Oh, sorry. Caramel corn. Or moldy cheese. Ease.
strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. I think. I think I'll stay with mine.
I'm gonna go with yours.
Got my bag.
I got my bag. Make sure keep it right by you so you don't
One,
puke
two,
on the
three.
carpet.
I keep doing it wrong.
Okay, ready? Set.
So that stinks. I got strawberry banana smoothie. I meant dead fish, but it would have been better than moldy cheese, in my opinion. So since you already seen me throw up,
She's not
that
ready to
was
do it
the
again.
funniest thing in this whole video.
Yeah, we kept on watching it over and over. It was really funny.
So let's go on. Oh wait, that was. So
Let's go on to the third one.
wait, I thought we were only gonna do 2 rounds.
Let's do one more.
All right, one more.
One more. Lime and long clippings.
And also,
Got it!
make sure to comment down below if you've ever played this game before.
And if you like her new rule that she made up.
And which flavor out of all of these, I'll give you a second. Which one is your favorite? Actually,
wait.
I'll put it right here so you can, here, this one's better.
No, look at this one.
Here, look at this. Look at this.
Can they even see it?
Yes, they can see it.
Oh, yeah, they can see it.
So,
It's raining man.
I'm going to give you a second.
Okay.
Sorry if it's a little shaky. But there's all of them.
Pick which one. Sam.
Which one do you like the
Comment down
most?
below.
Right there. And if you
My
want
bean
the
just fell.
rules
Ew.
or whatever, here you
Ew,
go.
it's so squishy. My barf bag. Okay, they had it long enough.
So,
Spin it.
what did you get?
I got lime or long clippings. Oh my god.
So I got
Juicy pear boogies. Do you want to do mine?
Excuse me. So I'm gonna go with hers because I do not want to get.
So
bigger.
it's. What are you doing? Just grab this one, I guess. Which one did you grab?
Green one.
Let me see. That was the wrong one.
No, it wasn't. This one?
Whatever.
I got long clippings, so it wasn't that bad, but I mean, so
Yeah, I got long clippings too.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed us throwing up.
Well, actually, we're not done with the whole video, but.
Oh yeah! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed
this
the
part.
Bean Boozled. So I am so glad that we are free again and that we get to put this away. Everyone say bye.
Bye,
1, 2, 3. Box is closed.
But I have one more thing. We're gonna try sour candies. We haven't tried them yet, have we?
No.
We haven't even tried them by ourselves or anything. So there's more, but you know, my brother kind of made some of them. And yeah. So what color do you want? I want purple.
I'll take blue since that's my favorite.
No, don't grab two. Fine, I get two purple. Ready, set, go. Put them both in your mouth.
Oh, okay.
I really like these.
Good.
I couldn't find original Warhead, so I just got these. They're not sour. By the way, guys, my birthday is in a while. Not a while. Next year. And I'm gonna record it. It's gonna be really fun.
So we're gonna watch TV for a little bit. So if
With these on.
Yeah. So if you don't hear us talking, we're just gonna watch TV for a little bit. But we're not gonna do it forever. So maybe we need.
Well, actually,
we'll need the YouTube camera.
Actually, I'm gonna put it on fast mode. Okay. See you.
Something all night. I just went to Walmart. If you guys saw me on Snapchat, you know that I went to Walmart looking like this. Oh, I just got back from Walmart.
Okay.
Hey guys, we just woke up.
Handcuffed, as usual. So, yeah. So we're gonna
It's
end
been
it.
24
So
hours.
we're gonna take them all. Finally.
Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Mine out.
You did this.
Yay! Free.
Yes, it hurt. It's red. Well, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified for every time I post a new video, and so you don't miss another one like this one. Comment down below what we should do next. So yeah, bye.
Bye.